Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain something about integers, brackets and their rules as well as BODMAS rules. After that I will solve some questions related to integers based on brackets and their rules. First of all, try to understand about natural numbers, whole numbers, and after that integers. As we know, counting numbers or 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinite, all these are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 2 3 4 up to infinite. All these are counting numbers. When we add 0 in this natural number, then we get whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. And integers. When we add negative of natural numbers or negative of counting numbers in this whole numbers, we get integers or natural numbers. 0 together with negative of natural numbers are called integers. In this way, integers are like this: minus infinite, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. All these are integers. Now try to understand about brackets. As we know, there are different types of brackets. This is circle. This is circle, or we can tell it is round. And this one is called, these symbols are called brackets. This is called a small bracket also. Bracket. This is curve. This one is also curve. And now we have curly bracket. These are called curly brackets or middle brackets. And as we know, this is a square. This is a square. Now we have a square bracket or big bracket. This is called a small bracket. This is called a small bracket or round bracket. This is called curly bracket or middle bracket. This is called big bracket or a square bracket. When we have such types of brackets, first of all we will solve this, a small bracket or round bracket. First of all we have to solve this bracket, that is called round bracket. This is called curly bracket, and this is called a square bracket because it is formed by a square. These are rules of brackets. Now BODMAS. First of all, when such types of symbols will come, first of all we will solve. B stands for brackets. First of all we will solve brackets. After that of means multiplication symbol or O for of. D for division. After that we have to divide. After that M stands for multiplication. We have to multiply. A stands for addition. After that we have to add. And finally or lastly we have to subtract. BODMAS rule will also be used here. Now I am going to solve some questions related to integers. Solution of question first. This question runs like this. 25 plus 14 is divided by, and inside a small bracket or inside a round bracket, that is 5 minus 3. This is 5 minus 3. First of all, we have to solve this bracket. B stands for bracket. This part will be solved first. Implies that 25 plus 14, which is divided by, inside bracket there are two terms, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. After that division symbol comes, then divide. We have 25 plus 14 is divided by 2, then we have 7. Now add it. Implies that 25 plus 7, that is 32. In this way, this question 1 is solved. Now try to solve question number 2, which runs like this. 3 minus 5 minus 6, which is divided by 3. Implies that to make it easy, we have 5 minus 6. 6 is divided by 3. First of all, we have to do operation of division. 6, then when 6 is divided by 3, then we have 2. 6 is divided by 3. 3 2 are 6. 2 implies that 3 minus, inside bracket 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Implies that 3 minus 3. It gives us 0. In this way, second is also solved. Now solution of third. Third question is like this. Solution of third, that is question is 36 minus 12 plus 3 into 10, which is divided by 2. Square brackets are here. Implies that 36 minus 12 plus a small bracket. We have to solve this part first. 3 into 10 is divided by 2. When 10 is divided by 2, we have 5. Implies that 36 minus 12. Now we have 3 into 5, that is 15. 3 5 is 15. Implies that 36 minus 12 plus 15, that is 27. Finally, we have 9 only. In this way, question 3rd is also solved. Now question 4th. Solution of question 4th. (22 minus 1/4) curly bracket 16 minus 8 is divided by 4 plus 2 curly bracket. Inside curly brackets implies that 22 minus 1/4 curly brackets 16 minus. Now first of all we have to solve the numbers which are coming just inside a small brackets. 8 is divided by 4. 8 is divided by 4, then we have 2 plus is already here 2 inside curly brackets, implies that 22 minus 1/4 curly bracket 16 minus 2 plus 2, that is 4 inside curly bracket, implies that 22 minus 1/4, and inside curly bracket it means multiplication symbol, and 16 minus 4, that is 12. 4 3 ja 12, implies that 22 minus 3, it gives us 19, implies that 19. So 19 is our solution of this 4th question. Its solution is 19, this part. Now I am going to solve this question, 5th solution of question number 5th, which runs like this: 18 minus a square bracket 18 minus curly bracket 18 minus round bracket 18 minus 18 closed 18 curly bracket and a square bracket, implies that 18 minus 18 minus 18 minus. First of all we have to solve this part, minus minus 18 minus 18, that is 0, minus 18, this is curly bracket and this one is a square bracket, implies that 18 minus inside curly brackets 18 0, that is 0 18. Now a square bracket implies that 18 minus, this is 18 minus inside this it gives us 0, implies that 18 minus, finally 18 minus 0, that is again 18. Now 18 minus 18, that is 0, implies that 0. Its solution is also 0. Solution of 5th is also 0. Now solution of 6th. Question runs like this: 150 minus a square bracket 70 minus curly bracket 60 minus 30 plus 20 curly bracket minus 10 a square bracket, implies that 150 minus 70 minus 60 minus, now this part, 30 plus 20, 30 plus 20, that is 50. Now this is curly bracket, this is 10. Now a square bracket implies that 150 minus 70 minus, now solve this part. Its solution will give us 60 minus 50, that is 10 minus 10. It is already available here. Imply that 150 minus 70 minus 10, that is 60. 60 minus 10, again that is 50. Imply that 150 minus this part 50, it gives us 50 only. It gives us 100. 150 minus 50, it gives us 100. This 0, 50, 150 minus 50, that is 100. In this way, sixth question is also solved. Its solution is 100. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.